Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and staying in the best of your health and pink of your health. Okay friends, today it's a very requested video again, and one of my subscribers, she wanted to know that how I keep my lipstick so fresh and nice. And you guys know that I only apply lipstick and eyeliner and sometimes a little cream and moisturizer on my face. Mostly I like to use aloe vera and almond oil and all. You have seen me with doing all that. So those are the natural things, and I like to keep my face plain. Actually, I'm fumbling actually now. So I don't know why this happens, but it happens, and I won't be editing it. I'll give you as natural as it is. So, and people were saying that my nail polish is good. Thank you so much. Everybody liked this, and they say that we all will also start applying two shades in two hands. So yeah, I apply one shade in this one, another shade in this one, one shade, second shade, one shade, another shade. So it's like this. So this is how it looks. And somebody said, please show it closely. So I hope you can see it closely. It's all coming out, and again in 2 days I need to remove this. So this was a little introduction, and I've spoken enough. And now coming to the topic, one of my subscriber wanted me to show her how I apply a simple lipstick which can last at least for 3-4 hours. And she's telling that she doesn't want to apply matte because her skin becomes chapped, and her skin peels off. So she said me show me in a natural lipstick which can stick to the glass and all, but let that lipstick stay in my lips at least for 4 hours, even if I take a sip of water or a cup of coffee. So I'll just show you a very simple tutorial what I do, and this lipstick will last you for at least 4 hours, even if you drink a cup of coffee or drink any Sprite or whatever, or a glass of water. So this will help you, dear. So for this tutorial, I'll be only having 4 things with me. That is one lipstick, one lip liner, one lip gloss, and little loose powder. So these are the 4 things, and with these 4 things, I'll just get started. And I don't know which lip liner you get in India. So the lip liner which I use of here is L'Oreal. So this is a L'Oreal one, and it says that it is a natural Belle Natural. So it is a L'Oreal Natural Belle. So I just take this, and this is like a burgundy brown color. So my first step is always just to take a lip liner and just outline your lips. So just outline it well. Sometimes I have even applied lip liner in my whole lipstick, and I have gone, I better not talk, otherwise I'll be shaking. So yeah, see, you can see I've applied the whole eyeliner, lip liner over here. I'm getting eyeliner. So it's a lip liner actually. So today I'm fumbling a lot. I don't know why. And the lipstick of here is 510 Berry Rich. This you all know because I have showed you so much, and I'm almost finished it all. I'm in the last part of it. So we'll just take, and we don't have to use the brush and all. So just try to fill it in. So I filled it in well. So I'll just shut down and keep it, close it I mean. So here is my powder, and over here I'm using White Diamonds. This is the powder which I have, and I love this powder because of its good smell actually. So here is the puff, but I won't be using it with the puff. So I'll just take out little, and I have holes over here. So you can see the dust, it is flying. So here is the powder, if you all can see me. So here is the powder. So I'll just collect all this powder and just touch it on my lips. You can see white powder, and see the lipstick, how much it has come out. So yeah, we are done over here. So we'll just take the lipstick again and we'll reapply it again. So we have applied all over again, and now it is all stuck, and I can feel that the lipstick is stuck well, and just do it like this. So here I have the Revlon lip gloss. So this Revlon lip gloss is again Pearl Plum. It is from Revlon. It is 90 number. The number is 90. Pearl Plum, and it is Revlon, if you all can see. Hope Revlon is seeing me and say that, oh, this girl Archie uses our products a lot, and they should come and give me some good lipsticks and good shades of lip gloss. And this is the lip gloss. We'll just apply it on the top. So this lip gloss will stay at least for 3-4 hours. You just let it set for 2 or 3 minutes and it will dry by itself, because sometimes the body heat also makes your lips dry with whatever lipstick you're wearing. See the lip gloss, friends. Did you like it? I liked it so much, and I always keep a lipstick in my bag so that when it goes away, you can always keep reapplying. And I'm sure every lady in her bag at least has the 2 lipsticks in her bag. Just comment and let me know how many people keep lipsticks and lip gloss in their bag. After eating, they apply it again. So, but this lipstick with the powder, it always stays at least for 4 hours. You can see my lipsticks and my colors. So, okay, friends, if you have liked this little trick which I use, that the lipstick stays for 3 or 4 hours, just like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope you all have a good night and sleep well. And I'll see you next time with another video. Love you all. Bye.